bud. What'd you find? Look both ways. Look both ways. I'll come that way with you.
I don't see how she pushed that tree.
So how'd you know?
Your daddy watched her.
So
He was
an
up.
older lady pushed it and it fell. When did it fall?
A couple weeks ago.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
See, it's dead, Zane, so see, there's bugs that's been,
I bet we could find some bugs
see,
in there.
there's a bug. And see, this is probably like little holes that woodpeckers have, because woodpeckers, that's what woodpeckers eat, is bugs and stuff out of dead trees.
He's friendly. He's friendly. Can you see anything else in there, Zane?
There's a dead tree across from John's.
Uh-huh.
The 2 houses up. And it has holes in it like this big, where woodpeckers have eaten.
Oh my goodness.
I don't see what she must have just moved some of these little pieces or something.
Must have, because
Yeah,
that is
you
an
couldn't lose
awfully
that.
big tree. If you would have been home, I think you would have heard about it. Wonder if that's an arrowhead.
You're getting taller and slimmer, Zane.
Maybe.
What? It's a twister.
Is it an arrowhead?
It's an arrowhead.
Is this an arrowhead?
Yeah.
From the Indians?
Yes,
We
sir.
find them all the time. And there's the base of the tree. So it's a pretty big tree.
There was 2 different guys at the party that have been students of Pop's.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. I hope no other trees come down. Trees come down, sometimes the power goes out.
Like mammoth.
Yeah. What do you need at home when the power runs out? When the power goes out, what do you need at your house to make electricity work? Do you know?
Power lines.
Yeah, you need power lines, but if there's no power on the power lines, you might need a generator.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Throw it. How far can you throw it? Good throw. That went a long ways. Grab another one.
What's that?
What? It looks like a cup. Trash.
Don't let Brian see that.
Yeah, you take it from me. I think it's an arrowhead.
Tell him it's not a jackpot. He'll be up here tomorrow. Ooh,
Good job, buddy.
what is that down there? Don't throw this one right here, whatever you do.
Yeah, that's too big for you. Don't get
You
that
can't
one.
pick that one up. You're
Mm-mm.
not strong enough.
Did Zane find this?
No, I found it.
Where'd you tuck it? Good luck.
Oh, here he goes.
Wow.
Think fit, you're gonna get dirty. And smell like
Back, look at
woods.
this hole right here, what the woodpeckers have done. Come here.
Oh.
Well, that's just the, I was telling Zane this. Stuff.
You gonna throw something else, Zane?
Right below
Zane,
Matthew's feet, right
look,
here.
Zane.
I don't have my phone. Wow, you made
That was good, Zane. Dada, you're gonna fall off.
Yeah, we don't want to end up down there in the ravine, Zane.
No kidding.
What is a ravine?
Like
What?
a real deep valley. Maybe.
All right, one more, Zane. Then we go home.
How far can you throw it?
There
Oh,
you go.
good
Oh, it
job.
went over the, yeah.
Went over and rolled.
Mm-hmm.
That was a good one.
No, that might get a splinter.
We
Be
don't want
careful.
splinters.
You know, you had that picture, Sissy,
Yeah.
with two of these little poplar
Yeah.
flower things. Every one I've found has been on the ground, has been covered in ants.
Oh, really? All the
Uh-huh.
poplar flowers?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But I've seen a few, but not as pretty as the one
Now,
Sissy's
Zane,
had.
that was a rock. Alright, well, I'll have to ask the local export to see if that's a arrowhead. What do you think, Daddy?
It is, Mama.
No, probably just a rock. Anyway, pretty cool. Zane would probably like to add it to his collection. Zane, you want to add this rock to your collection?
Yeah.
Alright. Here, you want to put it in your pocket?
That sounds like a good idea.
Do you have a pocket? You don't have a pocket, do you?
All right, Zane. One more stick.
Alright, throw it and put this in your pocket. Winding up. Ooh.
Going a mile.
Here, Zany, pocket.
I don't want it in my pocket.
Alright, I'll put it in my pocket. Alright.
Park on.
Alright, here we go.
All right, come here. You got dirt all over your back. All right, Tobin. Pull it up. Daddy's got to fix the closet.